I'm bored of helicopter rides.
What did you say?
I said that I'm bored of helicopter rides.
What's wrong with helicopter rides?
Well, you know I'm a wild man and I joined the military because I wanted to run around with guns.
Well, if you like to run around with guns, why do you sit here in a helicopter when you could jump of the helicopter and run around with guns?
You're right, I'm going to toss off my clothes and jump down from the helicopter.
Don't do it. Remember, this is a movie called Operation Rainforest, not a military mission called Operation Rainforest.
A movie?
Yes, and this is going to be shown at the cinema in 10 hours, so don't do anything stupid.